taken out the silk scrunchie I put in, but how real does this look? I can't get over how real this looks. I actually cannot describe to you how excited I am to show you what this is tried on. Obviously, you'd think, why are you trying to wig on? These are my new extensions. They're very long, but I have extensions because my hair used to look like this, and then after all the bleach damage and I actually ended up getting retention alopecia from the nanos that I had like over a year ago. So my hair has been through the wars. Oh my god, look at this wig, look at the colour. So I'm trying to get my hair back. I've chose to get these new extensions in, which are a lot less damaging for my hair, and also I'll have my extensions in for a month or two, have them out for 2 months, in for 2 months, to give my hair a bit of a break once in a while instead of just having them in all the time. So for when I don't have my extensions in, I can't deal with my short hair. So I got this wig. Oh my god, look at the curls on it. Since this is supposed to be synthetic hair, but it genuinely feels like real hair. It's clearly I need a toner because, oh my god, look how realistic this is as well. Like, look, you can literally see my fingers through the scalp. The hairline, like, isn't that so good? This one, the lace has been cut already. It also has this wee band to keep it attached to my head, and it also has wee clips inside to clip onto my natural hair. I'm about to put this wig cap on. I'm gonna braid my hair and then wrap it round and clip it flat to my head and then put on the wig cap. My hair is clipped up. I'm just holding it here to keep it in place, so it's like I don't want to mess this up. She skipped when I'm putting on the wig because you don't want to see me in this wig cap. Right, obviously this wig is from no other than More Mode. They do the best wigs, but it actually comes with a wee More Mode comb. I can't get over the waves. You could definitely get away with not sticking this down, but I am gonna stick the lace down just a wee tiny bit. Right, I feel like it is a bit bulky here. If it was like this, it would look even better, like flatter to my head. But again, I did have a lot of extensions in that I had to try and tuck in. But obviously when I'm wearing a wig, I won't have my extensions in, so I think it looks so much better then. But I think it was just so easy. Like, look at the hairline on this thing. Like, can you see that? I have a lot of wee baby hairs of my own which are quite dark, so I would obviously, when I'm putting this on for real, for when I'm not having my extensions in, I would obviously like slick those back and all underneath this. What it is, I'm gonna go do my makeup and then I'll come back. Sorry, I've just clipped it back to do my makeup and get the hair out of my face, but how real does this look? Even I clipped back like this. I'm literally obsessed. Like, I actually feel like getting my extensions out tomorrow just so I can start wearing this already because it looks so good. I really want a dark version, like black hair,